Good morning, everyone. I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the horror comic tarot cards. They came in last night and I was surprised because they were supposed to be shipped out in June, so I don't know if it was those of us who backed the set, I guess, got the cards first, and I was very pleasantly surprised. When I gave it a quick glance, I was a little confused because it doesn't really have the imagery that we're accustomed to, and I kind of thought that in some way it would have the it would be sort of a clone, a Rider-Waite clone, but you'll see that the imagery is a little different. So first it came, obviously I took it out. It comes in a regular tuck box. It's not particularly anything special. It's just a box. It's sturdy. I'm probably going to keep it in a bag. So that's the box it comes in. It's nice and colorful, and it's glossy, but nobody's really interested in the box. It comes with a little booklet, and the book has the, I'm sorry for the glare. The book has the classic meanings of the cards. So, you know, the Two of Wands is what a Two of Wands is. It doesn't have any particular different type of meaning in these cards. The stock of the card is sturdy. So I have the Rider-Waite, the classic Rider-Waite, and it's pretty much about the same size. I would say just a little, these are just a tiny larger, tiny. The stock, I would say the Rider-Waite is just a little tiny stiffer, just a bit, not a big difference. These do have a nice bounce, and so they're nice. I like them. I like the stock of the card. I like the way they feel. They're not too glossy, but anyway, let's get to the cards because that's why you guys are here. So this is the back. If you do reversals, you can do it with these, and they did not come in order. And I haven't shuffled them or anything. So I can do like a few quick of them, so you could a quick view of a few of them. I don't know if we'll do all of them. Didn't want to make the video too long. So that's the star. Some of them kind of do have, like the Temperance, kind of does have that classic look, but you'll see when we get to the pips. And that's the Chariot. What is that? That's a cemetery, and they're coming into the cemetery. It's pretty cool. I really like these cards. I really do. I really like the way they look. That's Justice. The Hermit. So I find that when it comes to the Lovers, when it comes to the major arcana, they kind of do seem like the original ones. But for instance, this one, it's a horror comic, so you guys decide. The Hangman, he's actually hanging by the neck. I think there comes, I don't know what comes behind it. Looks like maybe death. I don't know. And the Devil. So I love the colors. They're a little bit on the dull side, but I think it adds to that classic comic view of the cards. Judgment. That's a kind of scary card, Judgment. So here's where we start. He's like, they're all mixed, but this is the Three of Cups. So as you can see, it doesn't look anything like the classic, the Rider-Waite. But when you look at the meanings in the booklet, it has the classic meaning. So you can just take from like the Five of Cups, Seven of Cups. And that's the Ten of Cups. Which I guess kind of a celebration. I don't know. It's pretty cool. So they're different, definitely. The Page of Cups. The Knight. The Two of Pentacles. I mean, I looked at this, but I'm like, I mean, yeah, it's a Two of Pentacles, and I guess you can divine on what it inspires you, as art does. It's whatever moves you, whatever inspires you, which is, I guess, the cool part of this deck. And the Three of Pentacles. I actually like that they're not in order. Four of Pentacles. I guess you could say that the Four of Pentacles, maybe she's being held by, I don't know, the chains of desires, perhaps, I don't know. But I just wanted you guys to see the cards. I was really excited when I got them. I got home yesterday really late and I saw them and I had to open them. I couldn't wait. And this is the Nine of Pentacles. And the Page of Pentacles. But anyway, you guys get the idea. I don't want to go through the entire deck. It came in just a bag like this in the box, and that was it. So I believe that the Kickstarter already closed, but I read a post that they would be out in June. I just assumed that that meant that we would be receiving them in June, but I guess those of us who backed the Kickstarter got them earlier. But I think in June they'll be available, which is not, I mean, it's next month. So I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and the revelation of the cards. They're pretty cool. Oh, the Queen of Pentacles, I like that. They're pretty cool. I like, you know, the comic kind of thing, the faces of the women, you know, just like that old-fashioned comic look. I'll play with them, and if anybody receives them, or if anybody has any comment, or if they find something that's really neat of those who already have it, please share with the rest of the class. Have a wonderful day, guys, or evening, wherever you are. Bye!